Okay, this topic is periodicity. Periodicity is a definition you need to know. Repeating patterns across different periods. So those could be patterns in chemical or physical properties. So chemical properties in the way that of the reactions, physical properties about the melting and boiling points of the different elements. So as you go across a period, which remember is a row in the periodic table, it doesn't matter which row you go down, you see the same type of patterns. Okay? The reason for that is because groups have similar physical and chemical properties. So you're always going to go across group 1, group 2, group 3 and so on. So you're always going to see the same type of properties in each group as you go across. So why do elements in the same group have similar properties? It's because they have similar outer shell electron configurations. It's the electrons that decide how something reacts. So if you just look at a few groups here as an example, here we've got group 1, lithium and sodium. So they have different amounts of electrons, but the outer shell is very similar. Lithium has 1s2, that's what helium is, and then 2s1. So it's got one electron in an s orbital subshell. That's in the second shell. But sodium would have another whole 8 electrons, another whole shell, but it ends again s1, 3s1 in this case. So again, one electron in an s subshell. In group 2, you've got beryllium, 2s2, magnesium, 3s2. So they've both got 2 electrons in an s subshell. So when they react, lithium and sodium lose one electron, both of them losing them from their s subshell. Beryllium and magnesium lose 2 electrons, both of them from their s subshell. So they're reacting in similar ways. Group 1, the 2 elements here in group 1 react in a similar way, the 2 elements in group 2 react in a similar way. And then looking at across the other side of the periodic table, we'll be the same in group 3, group 4, group 5, group 6. We've got group 6 here, we've got oxygen, 2s2, 2p4. Okay? So the p subshell can hold a total of 6. So what oxygen tends to do is gain 2 more electrons to make that 2p6. Sulfur, which is in the period below it, is 3s2, 3p4. So again, sulfur wants to gain 2 electrons, just like oxygen does, and they're both in the same group. Okay? So that's why they have similar chemical properties, because they have similar electron configurations as you go down the groups.